Hello, welcome to Profit System. In this video, we shall look at how to take actions based on the Profit System Sprint and Profit System Rocker tool. You can see once the tool is updated for the current date, in this case, you can see here that the OHLC updated till date is 5th September 2013. Let us discuss what are the actions you need to perform in order to place your short or long order. If you already hold a position, for example, if you have installed this software about 1 day back and you have not taken any position and you want to take a fresh entry, just look at the second box which is in this case is showing you the long entry. In this case, you can see here the long or short and it is showing long entry. The entry point that you need to look at is 34,415.38. Exit point you can see here 32,125 and the initial risk minus 2,289.54. Now what you need to do is just note this 34,415. You have two options. One, if you are an online trader wherein you trade yourselves by using the online terminal, or you call up your broker and take trades based on the call and trade. Now in both the cases, what you need to do is you need to call up your in the first case you need to open your broker terminal and just place the stop loss market order for gold mini for this current particular month, this month contract at this particular price, that is at 34,415.38. so you round it off to the next one, that is 34,415.5. so if you are you need to place this order in the online terminal if you are doing it on your own. Otherwise you just call up your broker and tell him, irrespective of what this price is trading at, you tell him place this long order entry for gold mini at 34,415.5 and he will take care of the rest. Usually whenever you want to place this order, it will most of the case the gold mini will be trading much less than this. Again you have two options. One, you can trade off the market hours, wherein most of us are doing it off the market hours. When it comes to rocker, we are doing Nifty and Bank Nifty. With respect to Nifty and Bank Nifty, you can place the orders after 6:30. The market closes at 3:30 and you get the Nifty and Bank Nifty data at 5:30 or 6 o'clock and you update the tool. By 6:30 you have your updated data ready. You just place the updated data into your broker terminal by choosing the aftermarket orders. You need to combine both aftermarket order as well as stop loss market order for a better execution of your orders. While it comes to the MCX trading, that is in case of trading of gold, silver, crude oil, lead and other commodities, the data gets updated in the morning before 10 o'clock. Assume that it gets updated by 9:30. You update your data, update your tool once you get the data in mcxindia.com and assume that you have this data ready, and if you don't have any position, just open your broker terminal and place SLM order and aftermarket order at this particular point, that is at 34,415. That's all that you need to do. Once this order gets executed, then you need to place the stop loss at 32,125. So once this is done for the day, you need to for the next day again repeat the same process. So please share this video to a couple of other Profit System members, and if you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.